Many of you are familiar with the sixth phase. What we do in this particular edition is we change the context of the words that I'm going to use to help encapsulate this event and carry forth the learnings into your life going forward. So, could I have a chair on stage, please? What I want you to do is to simply find a comfortable position on your seat. Feel free to shake your legs. Turn off your phones or put them on silent. And this will take just 15 to 20 minutes. And we will also have a special musical accompaniment. Hi. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the sixth phase, it is what you would call a transcendent practice. That means it's not pure meditation, but it's a practice of going within to apply 6 different mental frameworks to have you truly thriving in life. The first 3 are compassion, gratitude, and forgiveness. These are designed to make you fully present in the now. And the last 3 are future vision, perfect day, and the blessing, which is designed to help you go forth in the world and disrupt, create, change things. We will begin this exercise with a simple 10 to 1 countdown. As I count downwards from 10 to 1, you will feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper into a relaxed state of mind. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, going deeper and deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're now in a deep, relaxed state of mind. I want you to bring to mind the image of someone you truly love. This could be a son or a daughter, a best friend, a parent. It could even be an animal. See in your mind the face, the image of someone you truly love. And as you look at their face, feel that sense of love in your heart. Give that love a color. Perhaps it's light blue or pink. Capture the emotion of that feeling in your heart and in a color. You're now going to radiate this love to everyone in this room. We're going to start with a deep breath. And as you exhale, imagine this light expand to cover your entire body. Imagine your entire body covered in the light of this compassion and love. Feel this love from head to toe, covering your entire body as if radiating down on you from a benevolent universe. Now take a deep breath. And as you exhale, imagine this bubble of love as a light radiating to the person to your left, to the person to your right, to the person in front of you, to the person behind you. Now take a deep breath. And as you exhale, imagine this love expanding further and now filling this entire room. Imagine your love filling this entire room and every individual in this room. Now take a deep breath. And as you exhale, expand your love to fill the entire city of Los Angeles. Imagine the city as if you were looking down on it from space, or see it on a map. See the city covered in the light representing your love. Now take a deep breath. And as you exhale, see this light expand from Los Angeles to fill the entire planet Earth. See the Earth as a globe, covered in the light of your love. As you do this, feel the love from 900 people in this room, touching you, covering you, and playing and intersecting with the light emanating from you. And now we go to phase 2. Phase 2 is about gratitude. I want you to bring to mind 3 things from this event over the last 2 days that you can be grateful for. It could be a new friend. It could be a dose of wisdom. It could be an insight or an aha moment. It could be a new dance move. Think about 3 things that lit you up and express gratitude for these 3 things. Go at your own pace, and as you bring to mind these 3 things, bring in emotion. Remember how they made you feel at that moment. See the faces of the people involved. Express gratitude for what you got to experience. Go at your own pace. Go on to the next memory and express gratitude for that. And now go on to the last memory and express gratitude for that. And we now come to phase 3, forgiveness. At an event like this, we sometimes gain new doses of wisdom, new insights, new ideas. Our minds expand a little. We become a larger version of ourselves. Think back to a younger version of you. Think back to a version of you that perhaps you made a mistake. See this younger version of yourself that didn't know as much as you know now, that wasn't as wise as you are now. And imagine yourself as an older brother or sister to this younger version of yourself. As you see this younger you, express love and forgiveness for any mistakes they made. Know that they did not have the knowledge, the information, the connections, the wisdom that you have now. Let this younger version of you know that it's okay, that within that mistake was a lesson, and express all the love you can to this younger version of yourself. And we now come to phase 4. Phase 4 is about your future vision. I want you to think of your life 3 years ahead. Imagine your life 3 years ahead. And as you do so, I am going to read to you a series of lofty questions. Repeat mentally after me at your own pace. Why do I have avalanches of abundance flowing onto me? for all my dreams, desires, and intentions. Why is my compassion and kindness changing the lives of so many people? Why am I surrounded by love? Why is the universe always unfolding for me in the most magical way? Why is my life filled with joy and bliss? Why do I have such an important mission on earth? Why am I getting younger and healthier every year? Why is my body so good at healing itself? Why am I so connected to my family, my friends, and my tribe? Why am I learning and growing so magnificently, day by day? Now, create one of your own questions and repeat it out aloud for everyone to hear. Now. Now ask another question, aloud, now, louder. And now, as we energize each other's questions, I want you to shout it out, your third question. Begin now. And now we move to phase 5, the perfect day. Phase 5 is about seeing your day unfold elegantly, beautifully, and perfectly. I want you to imagine tomorrow. I want you to reflect on how tomorrow is going to unfold with your new connections, your new wisdom, your new friends. Imagine what you would do upon waking up. What would be different? What do you do in the first part of the morning? At work? Over lunch? You're going to do this at your own pace, all the way till the end of your workday, your evening, your time with family, and then going to sleep. For the next 2 minutes, I want you to reflect and see your perfect day unfold with every event, every meeting, every chance encounter, every interaction with another human being going as magically and as perfectly and in as much flow as possible. Begin now. and slowly wrap up your perfect day. See yourself having a nice, incredible, Michael Bruce-like sleep. And now we come to phase 6, the blessing. You have a greater sense of your mission. You have bigger, expanded goals. The blessing is simply where you ask for whatever higher power you believe in to bless you, so that your life is supported and unfolds perfectly. The blessing is your own personal prayer to whatever source you believe in. State your blessing mentally now. I'm now going to count from 1 to 5. And when I hit the count of 5, you will be wide awake, feeling wonderful and in perfect health. You're going to look around you at the person to your left and right, give them a smile and a hug if you so wish. 1, 2, 3. Ready to be wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling incredible. 4, 5. Eyes open, wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling truly magnificent and incredible.